Hello, artisan customers. I'm Lisa Carlquist, the owner of Artisan Custom Closets. I want to thank you for your continued support because without you, our small business couldn't exist, and we really appreciate your support. I know that you have an upcoming installation and wanted to let you know some of the steps we're taking to help keep you and our employees safe. We're likely only sending one installer to your home. This means that instead of sending two or three installers to try to complete the project in one day, we're going to send one installer for 2 or 3 days, and that will minimize the number of people in and out of your home. If you have new construction or a really large project with multiple areas, we may send multiple guys if they can be safely distanced throughout the house. This is to protect you as well as our installers. While our installers are in your home, it is important to maintain that social distancing of 6 feet. So that means leaving them in the work area, and please keep children and pets away so that everyone stays safe. Our installers are equipped with hand sanitizer and use it on a regular basis. They are taking extra time at the completion of the project so that they can clean everything thoroughly. Everything is fully wiped down once they leave. Our installers are wearing gloves, so coming into your house, in and out of your house, touching doorknobs, handrails, that sort of thing, they will have gloves on. They cannot install a closet with gloves on, but the whole time they're getting in, they will be wearing gloves, and those are replaced every day, so they're only worn at your house. We've always put blankets on the floor to protect your property, but we're now placing plastic under the blankets so that new plastic will be used every day. It's discarded at the end of the day. Plastic will be on your floor, blankets on top of the plastic, and we are sanitizing and replacing the blankets on a regular basis as well. The safety of you and my employees is of the utmost importance. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. We're here, we're working, we're doing everything we can. I'll be happy to speak to you at any time. And mostly, I hope you love your new closet. Enjoy. Thank you.